channel. Today is another Magical Monday, and in this Magical Monday we are going to be making bookmark corners. These bookmark corners are so simple and easy to do and give a lovely personal touch to your books, and I just had to show you how to make them. So with that being said, let's get on with today's video. First thing you need is a piece of paper. I have got plain paper here, but I'm going to be using this paper, and I don't currently have a ruler. I don't know where it's gone. I've misplaced it. So what I've done is I've made some test ones out of my plain paper, just fold it over to make sure it works, and I'm going to put it in the corner of this and draw around it. Obviously you may want to use a ruler. It can be whatever size you want it to be, but I've just chosen to make it smaller. So I know this goes here. I'm going to use this as a ruler because I can't find my ruler. Just going to put this on the bottom. And I'm going to draw a little line. I could do this on the other side, but I've decided to do this way now. Just draw a line going across. And then I'm going to do it the other way. Hopefully this will make your books just look a little bit more magical, and you'll be even more excited about doing it. So once you've drawn the lines, you'll need to get a pair of scissors and cut it out. You turn it over so the design you like is on the table, and then you're going to fold it in half. This is a little bit fiddly, just making sure that it all matches up nicely. Obviously mine's, if there's a little bit that doesn't match up, don't worry too much about it. You can cut it off if you want to, but you should have something looking like this. And then what you're going to do is you are going to take one side and you are going to fold it inwards so that the point meets the point on it. And you're going to do the same with the other side, so the point meets the point. And make sure that you really fold it down. You may want to choose something to do it with, so I'm going to use this from my glue. Okay, don't worry too much about the bits that have come through that aren't the design. It doesn't matter. If you want to cut them off, you can, but that's now folded really nicely. You are then going to unfold it, and you should be able to quite clearly see the fold lines. And then you are going to take this middle bit here, not both of them, just choose one side where you've got the points, and you're going to fold it towards the middle. So you're going to fold that down and make sure that it is completely covered. Decide to split up if you want to, but from there you are then going to fold this over and in so that it goes underneath. You may have that going up a bit higher, it may not, and you're going to fold this one over, and then I'm just going to pick this up to do it just so that I can get it, and you're going to fold it. It may be a little bit fiddly, and fold it over, preferably so it's tucked all the way in. But I understand that sometimes because it's a little bit fiddly you might not be able to get it all the way in, but it's preferable if you can get it so these are all the way to the bottom, and then just poke them in, flatten it out. So now I have made my book corner. Yeah, you can still see obviously the white paper that it was printed onto. If you don't want to see that, then you can print it double-sided, but I wasn't too bothered about that bit being there. I don't mind that there. If I really want to, I could draw something on it. I could write my name. I could write a number on it if I wanted to number which ones I had. And then on the back you've got the same design. So I should be able to get over the next book I'm reading, which is the Amber Spyglass. And I'm just going to move my camera so that you can see it. The Amber Spyglass. And I haven't actually read a lot of it yet, but I did read up to page... I think I'm to page, actually I don't remember what page I read up to, but I'm just going to do it as if it's on, I don't want to see spoilers, so I'm just going to do it as if it's on chapter 1. I'm going to take that, I'm going to move that out a little bit and just slide it on. So it's just in there nicely, and it doesn't ruin the book too much. Obviously I've caught that in my bag where I've taken it in and out, but when you open your book you've got the really cool galaxy design, and when you move it along it's there as well. But also if you decided to say that you knew you wanted to read a certain amount of the book when you next opened it, you can then go, let's just say that this is a chapter, you can then decide to put it under a few pages. Maybe you decided that you want to keep all the pages together that you've already read, and then you can just slot it in And it looks really cute and really pretty, I think. I really, really like it. You can make lots of different designs. You can just use plain white paper. You can choose a design off of the internet. I just found some in Galaxy because I thought that was really cool and just really liked it. You can do some silly little designs. I'll pop in a few other designs that I like, a few other designs that you can make. I'll drop some Disney and Harry Potter types that you could use, some different things that I've seen on Google. Obviously I don't own the right to any of these images, but as long as you're not selling them, I think you can use them for your own personal use as book corners. You could even take pictures and things that you like, or quotes and sayings that you like. You just have to work out the lining up, unless it didn't matter to you if it wasn't all symmetrical, or that half of the quote was on the front, half of the quote was on the back. Really up to you what you want to do with them. I really enjoyed making them, and they're a really nice, simple, quick little activity you could do. You could make as many as you wanted. You could even match the theming of the book to the book corner that you make, and it's just something nice to make your books a little bit more personal and a little bit more your own. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, what did you think of this craft? Are there any other crafts you'd like to see? I was thinking possibly bookmarks, because I know lots of different ways that you can make bookmarks. Would that interest you? If you enjoyed this video, please click subscribe and put the notification bell on so you are notified every time I upload. And if you'd like to watch any of my other videos, please click here. I hope you're having the most magical day, and I'll see you soon. Bye!